So I decided to purchase S20. Look how pretty this is. Yay. Okay, and I'm going to unbox it with you. So I've already ripped the seal, so there's no going back. And I just wanted to, share the unboxing experience with you. Ta-da! Look how pretty this is. Very shiny. Looks almost like a mirror, right? Ta-da! Hello. Hello. Okay, so the phone that I'm filming with is the S8. So I bought it about 3 years ago. And as far as I'm concerned, the S series of Galaxy devices, the new model comes out every, say, 1.5 years to 2 years. So I think I end up buying like +2 series. So I bought this as S8, right? The current phone that I'm filming with. And then now I'm buying S20. So I guess, I've been using it for 3 years, so it makes sense. Okay, so just comparing the size. I don't know how to do it. But basically, I am just doing this so that you sort of get the idea of how big it is. So this has a much longer, I would say like 2 centimeters longer in length. And then I'll just get it out. Ta-da! Yay! Look how pretty it is. I forgot the exact name, but I think crystal blue. So it's not like blue. It's more like sky blue, and it has this pretty, what do you call it, mystic feel to it, which I really like. Okay, so I'm just going to now stop filming because I'm going to move the SIM card out of this one that I'm filming with and then put it into S20 to see how it works. Let me just see this charger, sleek and black, which I really like. Charger wire, and then AKG. Don't know what that is. Oh, I guess it's the earphone. Nice. I don't use earphone with wires anymore, but this will definitely come in handy. Compared to strip like the conventional, like this one, this tends to like peel. Furnished with real like fabric like this one, I find that it's sturdier and it lasts longer, so I will definitely make use out of it. So just like I showed you in my video of experiencing the Galaxy Note 20, the Galaxy S20 also has the same feature of filming your screen. Just to show you some new features of Galaxy S20, which I really like. So there is actually an app called Tip, and if you go in it, there are different tips and features of the Galaxy device that you can use. Well, let me show you what I mean. So I was just typing stuff, and then now I want to go back to how it was, and then I just swiped 2 hands on the left, and then it erased everything, right? And now I want to restore everything that I input, then I just need to swipe right. This is pretty awesome, right? Because sometimes you type stuff and then you think that it's bad, and then you want to erase everything. So instead of having to go manually like this, what you can do is you just swipe to the left with 2 fingers, and voila, it's gone. And then you want to restore them, use 2 hands to swipe right, and then it's back again. Pretty awesome, right? Another feature that I really like is the capturing service, but with extended display. So let's say I want to screen capture this page right here, which is pretty long, right? And previously when you screenshot, you only screenshot what's on the screen as you are, right? So you can only screen capture the page that you are looking at and not the entire page. This new feature enabled you to capture the entire page and not just the one that you're looking at now. So normally, your old phone will capture what's on the screen now, like this. But the new feature is pretty amazing because you screen capture and then this pops up and you click, and then you screen capture again, and then you click on the downward arrow again, right? You just keep doing that until you are satisfied with the length, right? So I'm just going to screen capture the entire page like this. Okay, then this. Voila, pretty awesome, right? So you're seeing unstopped page, the whole page of what you wanted to capture. Pretty awesome. There is, you know, the classic sound, no sound, and vibration function to silence the phone during certain time. So let's say you want to set your phone to be silent for an hour. For example, if you're going into a meeting room, right? You don't want to come out and then forget that you've silenced your phone and then you miss out on multiple calls, right? Important calls. So you just need to set the time of how long you want to go silent, and then it will go back to your normal sound mode. Pretty cool. What else? I mean, there are so many different functions that you can have a look. Oh, this one. So because now the display is bigger than before, sometimes you might find it difficult to manage your phone on one hand, right? Either you can click on the button twice like this, or what I did is to have a gesture of swiping the home button to the downward side. So I'll show you how it works. Now I'm on this page and maybe I want to click on this button right here, which is on the top left corner. So it's difficult to, you know, reach it with just one hand. So what I do is I swipe downwards on the home button so that I can use just one hand to, you know, manage. So in this way, I can do whatever I want with just one hand, right? And then now if you wanted to go back to the normal, then you just need to click on the black side of the screen and then it will be normal again. So be small, be big, be small, be big. Pretty cool. Those were some of my favorite function of the Galaxy S20. I hope you enjoyed it. All right.